Let me share why ChatGPT makes you sound like a robot when creating your emails, presentations, sales, and marketing materials for your business, and how to fix it. So it's not enough to just go to ChatGPT and use these AI models at the top of this triangle here. You will just get out of the box generic results. So we need to combine three things to really do this well, to make it sound like you and to make an effective email or presentation or sales page. So at the top of the triangle are the AI models themselves, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, whatever model you're using. They are brilliant, they are amazing, but they are a commodity. And as I mentioned, out of the box, if you just fire up ChatGPT and say, write me an email on this topic for this purpose, it's not going to sound like you. It's going to have what I call AI amnesia. It's going to forget who you are. All of those kind of things after a few back and forths, and you're just not going to get the level of depth that you're going to want when writing and creating with AI. You have to combine two other crucial elements that make up the points of this triangle. Okay, so we have the AI models at the top, but we need to fill in the base. So in the bottom left corner, we have what I call deep context. Okay, the key word for success with writing and creating with AI is the word context. And I went one deeper by sharing the word deep, right? Deep context of who you are, who you help, and how you help them. Those three things are critical to program, to give to these AI models so it sounds like you, it knows who you're speaking to, and how you help people. Okay, so what do I mean by those three? Who are you? Your brand voice, how you write, how you communicate, what words do you use, what words don't you use, make a massive difference in how AI creates and writes for you. Who you help, your ideal buyer, and I'm not talking about a generic avatar, marries 42 and lives in Ohio and works with moms over 40. That's not an ideal buyer, a deep ideal buyer blueprint. Okay, we need to know a bit about what their buying triggers are, what their day looks like, a deep understanding of their challenges, their desires, the words that they themselves use when they communicate. We need to give that to these AI models, and how you help people, your offer. What's the unique mechanism of your offer? What's the unique sales proposition? What is the pricing? What is the guarantee? All of those things need to be given to the models in order for it to write more effectively for you. And then finally, in the bottom right corner, we have what I call proven frameworks. We need to show AI, we need to give AI frameworks so it knows what good actually is. Okay? What is a good sales email sequence? What is a strong webinar framework designed to get people in your specific industry to book calls at the end of that webinar or to buy a product? If we don't give AI guidance, guide rails as to what good actually is for you and your business, it's going to produce, again, generic results. Okay, so we need all three of those things working together. Because when you combine the AI models with that deep context, you get relevance. It knows who you are at a very deep level. When you combine the context with the proven frameworks, you get persuasion. You get stuff that doesn't just spit out language that sounds like you, but is actually effectively building an email or a presentation or a sales page or social media content and those kind of things. And when you combine the models with the proven frameworks themselves, you get speed, right? If you're not using AI right now, if you're just relying on templates, you are making it much harder than it has to be. Okay, so we want to combine all three of those. Now, creating those things out of the box is tough because when I say deep context, I'm talking about roughly 2,000 words of depth as to who you are, who you help, and how you help them. Okay, now if you have to go and paste that into chat every time or paste it into some kind of project or GPT that forgets about you after a few back and forths, you're gonna struggle. AI out of the box has what I call AI amnesia. It forgets that kind of deep context all the time. And so what I'm doing is actually creating a software program right now called ConversionOS 2.0. It's brand new from the ground up that's going to help you create your brand voice, your ideal buyer blueprint, and your offer positioning at a whole nother level to create literally 2,000 plus words of context, lock that into the system, and then every email you write, every presentation you create, every social media post you create, any sales page or offer doc you create has that context already plugged into it with permanent memory, combined with my proven frameworks for writing webinars, sales pages, all that stuff. I've been selling my expertise online for over 12 years now. My clients have generated millions in sales using these frameworks. And I'm going to be programming those frameworks, combining it with your voice, a deep understanding of who you are, powered by the most powerful models in the world. And that is how we're going to take our AI usage to a whole nother level. Yes, this is a blatant demonstration or concept video for an up-and-coming software that I'm doing. I can't wait to share it more broadly with the market. I just wanted to record this short video, post it to my YouTube channel, share this early with my audience. If you are interested in finding out more information about ConversionOS 2.0, go ahead and comment the word ConversionOS down below this video. And as soon as it comes out, as soon as I have more information to share, I'll be doing so. I'll also be hosting a few live demonstrations in the near future as well. So this right here, this triangle concept is why, if you're using AI and it sounds like a robot, it's because you're just doing what I call zero-shot prompting, or I call it naked prompting. You're just going to it, opening it up with no context and no memory of who you are, and saying, write me an email on this, this, and this. Okay? And even if you're smart in programming things into like GPTs or other things, it still has what's called a limited context window, right? It only remembers so much before it forgets. It starts hallucinating. It forgets the kind of depth about you and what you do after a while. I'm going to be fixing that problem with ConversionOS 2.0, combining with my proven frameworks. I can't wait to share it. I'm really excited about it. This is my best work ever, and I'm excited to share that with you soon. So leave me a comment down below if you have any thoughts on this. If you're using AI, it sounds like a robot, or you're trying to give it context, but it's still not hitting the mark. It's because you're not combining these three things effectively. All right. That's it for this quick video. I look forward to making other videos on this topic soon. I'll also be hosting some up-and-coming webinars and demos. So if you're on my list or in my audience, you'll be hearing more about those soon. Again, leave the word ConversionOS down below if you're interested in more details. I'd love to get some early feedback from people in my audience as well. So we'll talk soon. Take care for now.